come to my motel. Slide you the key, baby, don't tell.
Hey you guys, what's good? What it do? It's your girl Abi-Sue, and I'm back with another video. Today I'm gonna be showing y'all how to do that makeup look on this beauty right here. Yes, sis. So I'm starting with her eyebrows, and I was blocking her brows like this whole video, so we're just gonna skip that. So don't even pay attention to this part. I mean, do, but don't. So yeah, now I'm concealing her brows, and I'm just gonna use a concealer brush and blend that out. So now I'm taking this light blue and I'm using that as the transition color, and yes, I was blocking it on this side, so I'm going to show you guys in detail on the other side. So boom, here we go. So yeah, I'm taking this light blue and I'm using it as her transition color. I'm initially putting it in the crease, but as I blend it out, it moves up more. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. So now I'm taking a darker blue and I'm putting that in her crease so we can have that ombre gradient look that we want. So the next step is to cut the crease, and I'm going to show y'all how I did that, and I want to show you guys on the other eye. So I'm taking this white from LA Girl Pro Concealer and I'm using that to cut her crease, and I'm just slowly patting it in, not dragging it, not gliding it. I'm just slowly patting it in to cut the crease. So now I'm taking a white shimmer eyeshadow and I'm putting that on her inner crease. It's not too white and I don't want it to be too white. I want it to be real sheer, but you could still see it. And now I'm taking a light blue shimmer eyeshadow and I'm putting that on the rest of her crease. So now I'm taking the same light blue that I used as her transition color and I'm putting that on her outer crease as well. I'm putting it literally right behind the blue shimmer that I just put down, if that makes sense. So now I'm going in with the dark blue that I put on her crease and I'm putting that literally right behind the blue that I just put down because I wanted to give off a gradient ombre effect, and yeah, so I put them right behind each other, so it's going from light to dark. Got it? So now I'm taking some lash adhesive and I'm putting that on her crease and I'm gonna lay down some fine glitter. Now I'm putting my chunky glitter on top. Next, I'm doing the same exact thing to the other eye. Now that I'm done with the eyes, we're going to get started and prime her face, and I'm using the Fenty Retouch primer. It's soft matte, which is good for her skin because she has oily skin, and I love the Retouch primer because it really blurs the skin. Like, look at the difference. I'm going to show y'all the difference of when I use this Retouch primer. I hope you guys could see the difference that the Retouch primer makes. It really blurs out your skin. Compare her forehead with her face that I applied the primer on. You see how her face is blurred out and the dark marks are blurred? Look at her forehead. They're not blurred. But watch. Everything just automatically becomes a blur. I love that. I love this Retouch primer so much. Next, I'm using my Fenty foundation in 450 and I'm using it to cover up her dark marks, and it kind of has a reddish undertone. That's why I like to use it, and it really helps when I go to put the foundation on top. Next, I'm applying her foundation, and I'm using the Fenty foundation in 400. Now I'm going to conceal under her eyes. I'm using my Real Techniques Beauty Blender to blend out everything. So now we're going to finish concealing, and I'm going to highlight her T-zone. Okay, so now I'm going to set the concealer in place, and I'm using my SACHA setting powder. After that's done, we're going to brush everything away. So next, I'm contouring her face with my NYX contour palette. So now I'm gonna take my setting powder and yup, snatch that face. Snatch it. Yup, just like that. After you snatch that face, you're gonna brush that all away. Now I'm taking my Morphe setting spray and I'm setting everything. You gotta set everything in place.
Hey, can you make a
Now I'm gonna do her liner.
Oh, thank you. Awesome. Thank you, though.
Now it's time to put her lashes on. So now I'm taking my Fenty Beauty highlighter and Hustler Baby, and I'm gonna highlight her face. So what I'm doing right here is I'm putting on her blush, and it's just gonna give her face that extra pop. And there we have it, the final look, you guys. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys like, comment, share, subscribe. I hope you like this look. I love it. It's so cute. Look at my sis. Yes, sis.